Today we are going to learn one point perspective drawing. In one point perspective drawing, you need to take it your slipping page, your pencil and your eraser. If you got it ATB pencil and HB pencil, then it is very fine. I am taking a normal pencil and my shading pencil. Take your normal pencil and shading pencil. This is your slipping page. This is a dot. It is called as a 1 point. I am saying this as a 1 point, which will be exploring to the different levels. I am going to make it 1 point perspective railway station. First, we are going to make it a track, a railway track. First of all, we will be making one light, very light line going towards downside. Here, very light line, a slipping line. One more slipping line. This is called as an eye contact line. This is called as an eye contact line, and this is called as a VP, vanishing point. It is called as VP, vanishing point. One slanting line going towards downside. If you want to take it equal measure, you can take it equal measure by using scale. Take it equal measure there to there. Mark it here. Make it one more slanting line going towards the point. It should be equal by the center line. Now one more line for showing the concrete level. Wherever railway stations are there, side by side some stones, pebbles are there, are located beside the track. Again, these are the pebbles. This is the pebble part. Now one more slanting line going towards a different point. One more slanting line going towards a different side. This is the depth of the platform. So we are going to make it standing few shades inside. Do it standing so you can get it a depth. Do not make it slope. If you are making slope, you will get it a slope here. I want to make it a depth inside, so I am making a standing lines, few standing lines going towards a vanishing point. Same thing here. Standing line going towards outside points. Straight line. Kids, please make it straight line so it can show the depthness of the platform. It is inside the platform. Now this is our platform where it is rising from this point. It is rising upside. Even same thing here too, up to this point. From vanishing point to the outer point, this is our platform. Again showing as a slipping line here. So this will be a platform. Here my platform is done by giving a slipping strokes. Now this is my depth one. This is now I'm going to make it concrete levels. I'm making in a wavy line. Stones are found in irregular shapes, so I am going to make it irregular slanting line. Here are the stones. Now here I am going to make it track. One slipping line. One more slipping line going towards the VP point, make it slipping line. go it further, आगे जाके narrow हो जाएगा. When it goes at a far away, it goes narrow. Here my track is ready. Here my pebbles are ready. Here a dampness of a platform is ready, and here a platform is ready. Now this is our eye contact line. Make it dark. Few bushes. Here growth will be a bigger one, and when it going to the vanishing point, it goes very small. Same thing here. Make the growth of the bushes little bit larger, and when goat and if it goes inside, it goes small. Here quite small. Done. Now I am showing this railway station. It's in a village area, somewhat a rocky area. So I am making a backdrop of a mountain, one bigger mountain going towards ground level, one more medium mountain going towards level, one more medium mountain going towards opposite side, one big mountain going towards opposite side, and one small mountain at the center. If you want to make it tunnel here, you can make it tunnel. Here is our tunnel. Now this is our land area part, this is our mountain area part. Little bit shading you have to give it. Give it in a slanting mode. Give strokes properly. Here I am giving a few strokes for showing the shadings. This is my mountain shading with a dark pencil. I am giving a strokes. Here my mountain is ready. Now few slipping strokes for showing the grass levels and a ground level. Same thing here for showing the ground level and the grass level. Few grasses. If I am to make it a straight light, yes, we can make it a straight light by drawing a light line from the VP point rising towards upside to the corner. This is my light line. Now I am going to make it straight lights. One standing line going beside the platform, one straight line, that is my pole, one more straight line, that is my another pole. Pole is going little bit far away, so it is decreasing in the height. Here my pole is ready. If we need a light, one circle, make it dark, one more circle, make it dark, and when it goes far away, circle size has been decreased away. Here our light is ready. Here is one point perspective railway station is ready. One point perspective is very important for your architect schools, design schools, as well as in your perspective learning. Thank you.